Hi guys, welcome to Connectra, a platform where we're uniting and uplifting all the businesses of the Jain community. Today we're joined by a powerhouse duo who are redefining entertainment with games, laughter, and a whole lot of energy. Please welcome the vibrant, the witty, and the unstoppable force behind Philosophy, Nikita and Nikita.
Hello.
What's up?
All going good?
Philosophy कैसा चल रहा है?
Boom. It is like कोई stop ही नहीं आ रहा है. People like laugh.
Wow, amazing. So before we dive in, if you had to play rock, paper, scissors to decide who talks first, who would win and why?
I will win. She will win
Why?
because she is good in winning and I am good in making play games.
Wow. So how did you two meet?
We met the mutual friends. We were not close to each other, but then I think destiny has its own way. So we planned to make the people play the game with love and laughter.
तो कैसे start हुआ philosophy? क्या story क्या है behind the name and
Eventually, see, it was not planned anything. But before 4 5 years, like whenever I used to go with my family, friends, I used to make them play games. But it was on normal base only, not so professional and everything. This thing, my friend, one of my friend Preeti, you must be knowing Laugh with Preeti. She come to know and she insisted me that you should start as a work. So I was like, नहीं भाई ये सब अपने काम का नहीं है. We have family, we have kids, so not at all possible. Still, she said you start once and see. She organized one Diwali party for her friends, and she told, "Can you host for us?" That was my first unofficial order, and here we are.
great. So did you two instantly click as a team कि फिर बहुत सारी बार मिलना पड़ा सोचना पड़ा क्या करना है कैसे करना है
नहीं ना हम लोग ने कभी मिले ना इंस्टेंटली कुछ भी इट वॉज ऑल अनप्लान लाइक वी वर ऑन अ फोन देन सडनली हमने डिसाइड किया कि चल कुछ करते हैं देन वी थॉट ऑफ द गेम्स फिर हमने वो भी सोचा कि यार खेलेंगे लोग के नहीं खेलेंगे बिकॉज नाउ द पीपल आर ऑल अबाउट पार्टीज एंड एवरीथिंग देन सडनली वी डिसाइडेड लेट्स डू इट वी कैन डू इट
एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट तो करते हैं
हाँ यार
राइट सो अगर तुम लोग इफ यू आर नॉट होस्टिंग गेम्स व्हाट यू विल बी डूइंग राइट नाउ साथ में या फिर
अलग ही था मेरा प्लान था किड्स पे डिजाइनिंग एंड विथ माय सिस्टर आई वाज प्लानिंग टू जॉइन रतीशा तो वी बोथ वर प्लानिंग टू डू टुगेदर देन सडनली आई डोंट नो वेयर आई एम फ्रैंकली मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं करने वाली थी आई वुड बी एट होम ओनली बट ये आई गेस सडन आने लगे बाकी नो प्लान नथिंग टू गो अहेड नथिंग
एंड लुक एट यू बोथ नाउ So how do you come up with your game ideas? सब कुछ पहले से planned होता है कि फिर उधर भी on the spot कुछ improvise होता है?
Actually, whatever we make them play, we have been playing over the years. Okay. So we try to make them old and new version together, which make it more creative and playful.
Got it. So फिर on the spot कुछ नहीं होता है everything?
नहीं, it is sometimes like हम लोग को गेम्स चेंज भी करनी पड़ती है कि इतने टीम्स नहीं होते ये नहीं होता बट इट हैपेंस ऑटोमेटिकली.
So tell us a story of a funny moment, while filming, then a moment that didn't go as planned.
100% it is tug of war. Like crazy था वो. Once or twice ही वो rope से खेला होगा हम लोग ने. And when I said 1, 2, 3, go and rope in the 2 pieces. We were like, oh shit, क्या करेंगे?
Rope is
Actually it was very thick. But पता नहीं कैसे. We both are looking at each other. क्या करेंगे? No backup plan. कुछ नहीं. But when we saw कि people are going here and there and laughing like mad, then we said नहीं अपना काम हो गया. अभी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. It was the best. And the reviews we get from our client are like best कि ये आपने बहुत अच्छा किया था. तोड़ दिया. हाँ ये लोग को लग रहा है हमने प्लान था. हाँ. But we were like कि कैसे हो गया ये? Because 2 ही बार खेला था. But it was very fun, very.
So I cannot even imagine वो इतना thick.
Yes, rope. हाँ.
So there are times when guests कभी ना बोल देंगे कि हम लोग को ये गेम नहीं खेलना है कुछ और खेलेंगे फिर वो on the spot कैसे how do you handle it?
because convincing is our best art. So convince कर ही लेते कैसे भी, still they say नहीं 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 पागल हो क्या, गिर गए तो, लग गए तो, ये हो गया तो, still we say अरे खेलो, हम लोग ने भी खिलाया हुआ है. Then we show them video also that ये भी है, possible है. Then we assure that it is very much fun. Please play this. Then they play and end पे मान ही जाते हैं.
मान ही जाते हैं और इनको ही मजा आता है.
बहुत मजा है.
मतलब एक बार स्टार्ट हो जाए, they
इसके
want to
बाद
play
they
more
want to play
हाँ.
more. They want to play now. One more chance. One more chance. Now I also want to play. It is like that. Now one game is there. Like when we usually do passing the ball, passing the passer. We have created passing the man.
That's in the man.
Man.
Oh,
Man. So when we said कि passing the man, what are you saying, Ravish? What is passing the man? How we will pass? Then we show them video. This is the video. Who passing the man? He has to do like this. They has to pass the man, and that is a fun like another level.
I want to see that video.
Yes.
Great, yeah. पर अपने आप ही गेम्स बनती है कि फिर you keep seeing videos और
No, we always keep like old version and current version. We mix both the things and we make new games. Like पहले अपन कहते थे that लगोरी, stacking stones and all. Now we are playing like DOS ball and everything. So we have combined both the games and make a new game. It is like that. So we make new games.
So games are also a reason to bond families and friends together. Now, have you ever been surprised by how emotional a moment can turn in that process?
Always. And we have seen father and son playing together and they are fighting also. Yeah, that they are fighting for the games. It is like that bond is unmatchable. And we have seen people crying also. मैं जीत गई थी, मैं जीत गई. But it is fun when they play together. And I have seen play my father also while I was hosting.
Wow.
So it was also very good moment for me.
What was your first big viral moment?
द बिगेस्ट वायरल मोमेंट वाज हमारा एक वीडियो इतना वायरल हुआ है, लाइक वी वर जस्ट हमने पोस्ट किया और तुरंत लाइक ऑन द स्पॉट इट वाज आई थिंक 2K 3K कंटिन्यूस था.
And end of the day it was 30K.
Wow.
And forwarded 150 people.
Amazing.
So that was the best moment for us.
Great. And when that comments and DMs come from that fan, how do you all feel?
Super.
Super.
One of the best moment was like our client's 30th birthday was there and she was just scrolling on Instagram and she was looking at our page and she saw that this could happen in my birthday also. She wanted her that मेरे birthday में भी मुझे ऐसा ही plan करना है. You all can do this. We did it and we felt like our games are making for someone feel special. So it was the best moment.
It is actually fun. वो खेलने
खेलने में खेलना गिरना and cheaters. Everybody is cheater. Everybody is cheater. Like मैंने नहीं किया था, मैं तो आ गई थी, मैं तो.
Especially mom dad के age के लोग when they
Yeah.
start running.
अरे दे फाइट अ लॉट
Even
स्पेशली.
you were a part of our event. How do you feel?
I felt amazing. मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा लगा स्टॉप ही नहीं होना चाहिए और नेक्स्ट में नहीं जीती, नेक्स्ट में तो जीतूंगी. It's amazing. So what have you learned about each other from this journey?
That we both have lots of patience. Like sometimes she is busy or sometimes I will be handle each other's.
The pressure we take, like अभी 2-3 events साथ में आ गए, every day's event. So I said अरे निकिता छोड़, नहीं लेना, छोड़ दे. She's like नहीं नहीं हो जाएगा, we'll manage, कर लेते. It is like both of us.
So when you all are hosting games, sometimes ऐसे लोग आते हैं कि मोटो मोटो लोनावला और करजत and we all come there to host games. तो फिर are you all okay to travel?
Yes, we are ready to travel if the people are ready to play. We have the team, Jenny, Bhumi and Frishi. We send them. और 2-3 events हमारे लोनावला में हुए भी है and one of the best events है हमारे.
See, where there is a laughter in competition, travel and distance do no matter because we want that people will play more and more and more. So for that, and they are actually very good trained now. And when they hosted 2-3 events, the reviews from people the reviews from client were amazing. And you guys are amazing.
Great. So philosophy is ready to go everywhere, guys.
Yes.
So, your work requires a lot of traveling and leaving kids behind at home. How is that mom guilt?
Mom guilt is so
Real,
definitely
real,
too
real guilt.
much. But we are lucky enough, we are getting super support from our friends, families and even our kids. At times ऐसे होता है कि Sundays even we don't spend with them, but हमारे बच्चे की मम्मा go, it's okay, we will manage it, all the best मम्मा. When we come, they ask us, मम्मा क्या हुआ, कौन जीता, कौन करे. It was a proud moment for us.
The best support is family only. Like in-laws and my mom side, everybody helps us, and they are like, "अब जाओ, हो जाएगा, manage हो जाएगा." And even kids have started, "Mama, आज event है." Now every day they are saying, "Mama, कल मेरा exam है." Now they are saying, "Mama, कल आपका event है." Now they have started like this.
So that respect is also there. That my mother is
Yes,
working.
my mother is working. They are so happy.
Amazing. What is the future of philosophy?
Philosophy is going to be boom in the next 5 years. Like हमारा planning ये है कि we want to expand our team, approx 50 to 100 people. We want to take more orders. We want to do anniversaries, birthdays, everything we want to do. And mostly we are working on it.
I'm sure it's going to come true.
Yes, obviously.
very
Amazing.
soon. Because we want in our community, everybody should play in Khilosophy.
Khilosophy.
Each and every person, like kids, senior citizens, youngsters, each and everybody. Because for that we are doing kitty parties, baby showers, everything we are doing, kids parties. So we want to involve everybody and we want everybody should play.
Amazing. So is there any is there any regret that मुझे ये करना था मैंने ये नहीं किया?
No regret
No
yet.
regret. We are
But
very much
one
happy.
moment was there from our philosophy, like one of our players, he was playing so actively, and that event was in Lonavala, and he was playing so actively, and he fall, and
He got
fractured,
fractured and he got 3 months bed rest. That
ये
was
कभी नहीं होना चाहिए. We always say play safely, play
Play
safely.
safely.
Still they are
But it
game
was
में जाने के बाद
Oh,
you don't know
exactly.
what happens, and we sustained fracture. That was very bad.
it's a part and parcel.
Yes,
Yes.
it's bad. And
Can't help it.
बिना खेले भी हो जाता था.
हाँ.
Yes.
Great. So when philosophy started, एकदम हवा के जैसे ऐसे surprise लेके आया निकिता doing something. फिर philosophy आया, and immediately after a few months there were more companies in the market who were also making people play games. How did you feel and what message would you want to give them?
Competition is there,
Then,
but OGs are here. You just
better watch it.
Wow, that's the spirit. Guys, better watch out. Philosophy is here to stay for very long.
Yeah.
Amazing. So tell me, when you make people play games, ऐसा कुछ awkward moment होता है कि कभी कोई बात नहीं कर रहा हो या फिर कभी कोई random लोग आ जाते हैं?
Yes. अभी हमारे एक इवेंट था जिसमें 2 brothers आई गेस वो दोनों बात नहीं कर रहे थे. हम लोग को पहले ही इन्फॉर्म कर दिया था कि ये दोनों को अलग टीम में रखना. बट आई डोंट नो कोइंसिडेंटली ये दोनों एक ही टीम में आ गए और दे वर नॉट टॉकिंग बट प्लेइंग टुगेदर. एट द एंड ऑफ इट दोनों हक करके विन हो गए. दैट वाज द बेस्ट टाइम.
Yes.
Amazing, yaar. So games do make people bond together. Amazing. So in the era of clubbing, parties, chilling with friends, games have disappeared somewhere. What is the USP of philosophy?
Philosophy, we wanted to switch people from parties to games. Because in parties, generally we youngsters and everybody throw parties and clubbing and everything. Where you can't call your parents, kids, everybody. So we wanted to shift them to kids and everybody to turf. Like they can play games and everything. So basically we want to set the trend.
Yes.
It is like that.
एंड नॉर्मली अब हम लोग फ्रेंड्स के साथ ही सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. बट ये टाइम पे एल्डर्स, मदर्स, फादर्स ऑल वी कैन प्ले टुगेदर. वी कैन हैव अ वेरी गुड बॉन्ड.
Amazing. Somewhere we are forgetting our families.
Yeah.
What was originally the birthday, some family
Family
dinners
is start
there,
celebrating.
everything is disappearing now,
Yes.
and philosophy is bringing that back. So you're doing amazing, guys. Thank you so much, Nikita and Nikita. You two were pure fire. Thank you for bringing your energy and games to Connectra. Remember, everybody, life's a game, and don't forget to follow Khilosophie to play more and more games. Thank you so much, guys. For more such podcasts, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thank